Hello everyone, I am Architect Naidu and I am here to share some information related to field of architecture. I will be covering some fundamental topics related to field of architecture, and I am sure this would be beneficial to first year B architecture students and also the aspirants of architectural entrance exams like NATA and B Arch paper 2. Today we'll discuss about elements of climate. You see, there are various subjects that are covered under the course of Bachelors of Architecture, and in those subjects, I'll be covering various topics taking from the various subjects. Today, the topic which I am going to cover is elements of climate, which is related to subject climatology. Climatology, as the name suggests, is related to climate. The study of climate related to different fields. So here, since we are talking about architecture, I will be connecting the idea and the knowledge of climate with the field of architecture only, and whatever topics we will be discussing in other videos also, that would be in relation with the buildings or as a whole architecture as an area. So climatology is the field whereby we have to study the basic features of climate, and after understanding the climate of any region, then we need to design the buildings so that the buildings become responsive to climate, which is called as climate responsive architecture. So in order to design any building in a climate responsive manner or climate sensitive manner, we need to first of all understand the climate of that region. In a way, the characteristic features of the climate, we need to understand that what sort of climate prevails in the region where I am supposed to design or build any building. The features of climate are called as elements of climate. Elements of climate are temperature, humidity, air movement, solar radiation, rainfall or precipitation. Cloud cover. These are the major elements of climate. Now, how do we explain or describe the climatic behavior of any region? Just like whenever we have to explain or talk about any person, that how does a person looks like, particular person looks like, the person is tall, the person is wheatish in color, and so on and so forth. Similarly, for climate also, we need certain features or certain we can say the the key words or the key terms by which we can describe the climate of any region. So जैसे हम कहते हैं कि वहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है, वहाँ का क्लाइमेट ज़्यादा ठंडा है, गर्म है, जैसे कश्मीर या इधर जाना है, हिमाचल प्रदेश जाना है, तो हम कहते हैं कि वहाँ का क्लाइमेट जो है ठंडा है. सो दिस ठंडा वर्ड, दिस कूल और कोल्ड वर्ड refers to what? Temperature. What sort of temperature does that place or that the climate of that place normally has? right? Similarly, the other important feature is humidity. Like